you join me with my washing machine, and it's very clear that the pulsator at the bottom has seen better days. So to remove this, you just need a little flathead screwdriver. Now this is a Samsung model I have here. Remove this little cap very gently, because this is not included in the replacement part, it's a separate part. And using a size 10 socket the right way around, you can unscrew the nut at the bottom. Now I couldn't get my socket wrench in there because it's too wide, but it was only finger tight, so that's okay. Thanks to this rollers falling out, this thing just lifts up. It was a lot dirtier underneath. I've already had it out once. Here is our shiny new part. This part cost me close to $1,000. Always make sure that it matches your model number, but I'm pretty sure Samsung only uses one size on most washers. There it goes. And I'll just finger tight it back again. Nah, I'll use a spanner. Here we go. Nice, good as new. Just clip back on this cover. And now we need to dispose of the old one in a responsible manner. I know just the thing, and it's not the dishwasher. Be sure to put your rollers back in, as this is part of the assembly. Oh, that one just wants to fall out all over again. And now we're going to recycle this into heat. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of the video.